Imagine hitting the road, camping under the stars, or just needing extra cold storage, but without the hassle of constantly buying and draining ice. This little black box, the EUHOMY 12-volt refrigerator, promises exactly that, a true portable freezer that goes anywhere. But does it deliver on such a big promise? Right out of the gate, one notices its surprisingly compact yet spacious design. At 19 quarts or 18 liters, it's not a behemoth, measuring about 24.5 inches deep, 13.39 wide, and 13.31 high. Yet it offers enough room for a weekend's worth of snacks and drinks, or even frozen meals. The reinforced handles make it genuinely easy to move around, whether you're shifting it from the car to a campsite or just repositioning it in your truck. It's designed to be carried, and it feels like it. What truly sets this unit apart is its incredible versatility. This isn't just a cooler, it's a full-fledged portable freezer capable of chilling down to a frosty -4 degrees Fahrenheit or warming up to a balmy 68 degrees. That means you can keep ice cream solid, drinks perfectly chilled, or even transport warm food if needed. The clear LCD panel makes adjusting the temperature a breeze, with intuitive buttons that anyone can figure out. And speaking of convenience, the door is completely reversible and removable. Think about that for a second. No more awkward reaching or blocked access depending on where you place it. Plus, a built-in LED light inside means no fumbling in the dark for that midnight snack. And the best part, it operates with a silent design, so it won't be a noisy companion on your quiet adventures. Performance-wise, EUHOMY has packed some serious tech into this portable unit. It boasts a high-efficiency compressor that gets things cold fast. We're talking rapid cooling, which is crucial when you're loading up groceries on a hot day. It's also UL certified for energy efficiency, which is a big plus for anyone concerned about power draw. You get an eco mode for maximum energy savings, and a max mode when you need that quick chill. On average, it sips power at just 36 watts, which is incredibly efficient for a device that can freeze your food. Powering this portable marvel is equally flexible. It comes with both 10240V AC and 1224V DC adapters, meaning you can plug it into a standard wall outlet at home or directly into your car, truck, or RV. But here's where it really shines for vehicle owners. It features 3 levels of battery protection. This isn't just a gimmick, it's peace of mind. You can adjust the input power sensitivity from 8.5V to 12.4V, ensuring that the cooler won't drain your vehicle's battery, leaving you stranded. This thoughtful feature makes it compatible with a huge range of vehicles, from sedans to heavy-duty trucks. And if you ever have questions, EUHOMY offers a solid 2-year technical support, which is always reassuring. Overall, the EUHOMY 12-volt refrigerator isn't just another electric cooler. It's a robust, feature-packed portable freezer that genuinely enhances the travel experience. Its blend of rapid cooling, energy efficiency, smart design, and crucial battery protection makes it an essential companion for anyone who loves the open road, camping, or just needs reliable mobile refrigeration. It truly delivers on its promise, making ice a thing of the past.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.